Good morning mga ka-vloggers! Ngayon, ika nga magandang mga kapaligiran, ika nga busilak ng kagandahan ng langit. So, sky blue. So, clearly ngayon ang weather at saka hindi siya maanong mainit kahit sabihin natin walang hangin. At tila ba ang mga tao ay nakikipagsiligoan sa dagat. So meaning natutolerate nila ang init at saka nagagandahan sila sa mga ambience dito sa dagat. Napakaganda nga ang tanawin dito. Halos araw-araw hindi nawawalan ng mga tao dito. Ayan si Buntis. Yan, nakidaan at pupunta sa palikuran, makikiihi doon. Ayan ang mga tao, daan dito, daan doon, balik dyan. Ay nako, ganyan ang buhay dito araw-araw. So magsasawa ka, hindi magsasawa, look your surroundings. Yan. So, kita mo talaga ang ganda ng bisilak ng mga langit, the sky is blue, garden. Yes. Yeah, basement there. Go there. The parking orange get down.
That one, eh?
Yes, yellow,
Basement,
orange board. Yeah, basement. So, yan ang mga tao dito ay nai-enjoy sa kanilang mga kapaligiran. Nag-hanging out sila. At ngayon, tayo ay bye. Ay, nakalimutan natin doon mag-ask kay Buntis ng kapeng hiningi mo kahapon. Napakasarap.
May dala akong kape.
Wow, very
Pero,
good.
ano lang, dalawa lang yun, 3 in 1.
Ang sa atin lang yun. And, tapos
Dala
ngayon ay...
Dala ako.
Sige sir. Ay pupunta na sila ng mga beach at maliligo na. Ika nga, life is hobby, yan ang mga words na kung tawagin natin ay napakaganda. Ika nga, enjoy your life. So, life is uncertainty, life is so short. You have to be happy in your life, your career, and in everyday life you have to manage your emotions. And in Muslim name that's we called iman and taqwa. If you have iman and taqwa, you have your faith in Allah, you have to faith in your God, into your worship, and every day everything was okay. Even the world is chaos, as long as you have to do something good, like good vibrance. I mean, it's good vibes into your lives. So yan ang matatawag nating be happy, smile to the world. Sabihin natin may mga bagong pinanganak na welcome to the world, sabi nga ni Tita, welcome to the world. So just to be happy for to iwasan natin ang anti-stress. So malalaman din natin ang natin mga kakayahan sa buhay, anong weakness natin, anong kaya natin to survive. Okay? Just to survive. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Okay? At sa mga taong nakakasalimuha mo everyday, hindi lahat yan ay pare-pareho ang ugali. Minsan may masungit, minsan may isang malihim, minsan ay discreet, minsan ay nasa sa kanila yung katangian. Pero if you know how to handle your life, as long as you'll be okay, you have to know to adjust, to mingle, to correct with them as long as you can. Do it, why not? So, and the positive views, do it in a right approach. You have to do in a right way, and also you have to talk in a communication technique. Yes, to bear with the people with anger, with anxious, with bottled up emotions, or emotional disturbance, or hated to anyone, or uncooperative, or they have on life, or shall we call the patients, the people are, they have like antisocials, or they have all mindsets. So, aware of us to know, take notes, kindly first to discipline yourself to the crowd, to yourself, to the others. And the best thing is you know how to mingle itself. Yes. While we are doing right now to do the things the right way, I'm not talking in perfectionist because I am doing good, I'm doing bad. But right now I have trying to motivate myself and to others. So I'm just sharing my emotions. But today it's coincidence the weather is so good now and not too much hot, not too much cold. It's like simple. If even the plants is not moving or there's no wind touches to your skin, but the weather's so good. So you can see like and the emotions vibrant. Okay. But for, as of now, for the people, they are choosing some of the colors to wear, some colors to wear, or they have a color places where to go. There's on mindsets, and to be sit free, just imagine stress free. So somebody say I have an stress. So what kind of stress? We don't know. Maybe you have financial issues, family issues, love life issues, broken heart issues. So we don't know. But only have to do just adjust and make rewind yourself. So you're trying to figure out for some vehicle like a car. The car before we running we need like conditions. Although the car is there still walking, the car is functioning, but once you stop for a moment that you are using it, make it recondition for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or as you wish. And then when the machine is engine where we go, if a condition it good, sounds vibrant, check your wheels, tire, lights on, brakes, windshield, and so on before you go. And somebody told your life is seems like a pattern of the car when you drive. When you drive a car, you have to sit your fix your seat car seat properly, check it according to your adjustment of your height, and then check center mirror. And that center mirror will signifies to your left and right for your destinations or wherever you go. So you meant to say the center mirror is on your third eye sight, okay, third eyesight. So it's depend on your destination whenever you go against all sabihin natin against all odds o sa mga any roads to accident. So you have to keep watching. So yun ay daw hinahalin tulad sa vehicle ang buhay kasi ang vehicle nakikita doon na may salamin. Una-una yung upuan mo, i-adjust mo. So, ibig sabihin, nasa mindset mo kung paano mo i-work out yung future life mo. So, I'm not telling for everyone that I am a perfectionist, but I'm telling you these sharing stories and emotions to help to relieve, to cope up for anti-anxiety, for everything, and so on. So, So, yun ang mga kinakailangan natin mapagtuunan ng pansin at kalimitan, karamihan, kadalasan ay nauwi tayo sa tardiness or sa may isang araw na pagod tayo at may isang araw na hindi tayo complete. Eh parang bang mundo mo ay hindi complete. So look for unwind, readjust mo yung sarili mo, tingnan mo sa salamin, at mag-mindset ka kung ano ang nadadapat sa'yo. So, financial issues, hindi na natin problemahin yan. Nasa sayo kung paano mo patakbuhin yung buhay mo. At the same times, nasa sayo rin i-adjust mo. At don't blame to others anyway. Kaya, ang mga nagbe-blame sa others ay walang patutunguhan at wala yung ano. So, self-motivated na lang kung paano mo i-adjust at paano mo sila iinganyo na in a right way para tularan ka nila. Yun. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko for now. I think just the right time to adjust and just the right time to move on. Hindi just the right time to move on kung bigo ka na. Sabihin nila move on. No. From the start, you have to move on, move forward, and keep going on your daily lives. So, ika nga sabi nila, life is uncertainty. Life is too short, and be happy and smile to the world. And that's it for now. See you in my next vlog. Bye.